Yeah, that's me, Kinghuman. I know it's too good to be true, but it's true. It's me. Get over it. Live with it. Enjoy it. I don't care. Okay. Here's what it's doing. The other day I put up a video like this. It looked like this weird thing, about giving away my video camera. And I screwed up. Well, I didn't screw up, but I tried using a new application that was going to host the giveaway and do all the application screwed up. The application screwed up on me, so I have to redo this. Okay, I see that people are just now arriving, so I'll start again. This is what's happening. I'm having to redo that giveaway contest that I posted a couple of days ago because the app that I was using, it was a video app, screwed up. It was internally screwing up. But anyway, here's the gist. I'm giving away this video camera. Now there's going to be a couple of different ways you can enter to win this. This is going to be like a game. I'm going to try and gamify this. So below this video, I will post the app where you can enter. Or if that doesn't work, you can go to superhappyfuntimegiveaway.com. I was going to make an app for that so I could put it up here, but I was too lazy to do it. Oh, get a comment here. Hang on. Glenn says, wow, cool. Spelled with a K-E-W-L. Okay. Thanks, Glenn. Thanks for that comment. So, yeah. This was my personal video camera. So it's not new, but it's in great condition. And I want to give it to one of my followers because I think it can help them with their YouTube or whatever they want to do. And I'll tell you, people take you seriously when you use this video camera. They see that XLS microphone on there, and I've got some stories, but I won't go into them. But anyway, they take you seriously when you use this video camera. And I'll tell you, it works great. So there it is. It's up for grabs. There's a lot of hidden Easter eggs in the contest, in the game. So play the game, and hopefully you'll win. And that's it. What can I tell you? Okay. Done. No, if there's no other questions, Glenn was the only question I see. So if there's nothing else, I'll stop annoying you. You can enter the contest. I'll post this below this post after this post posts. When the post posts, the post is posting live, but after the post posts,